And from Columbus, Ohio, I'm your host, Robb Dunewood.
And out of Atlanta, this is Terrance Gaines, aka Brother Tech, aka if you're watching, you can see my shirt, aka who made the potato salad. So that's what I'm gonna be asking this week. Looking forward to family coming in town so I can see what's up on this potato salad and other things that are also important, but not as much.
Did you see this video where it is a family and they're having a family meeting? And it's a bunch of them. It's probably 15 to 20 folks. And they're basically discussing who's going to cook what, who's going to cook what with who, and basically how things are going to go down. And what was just really funny is that there was two folks that was going to be making the potato salad. And somebody suggested to somebody's auntie or grandmama or somebody that she should just get together with this other person and they make the potato salad together. And it was the funniest thing of how this is a very politically savvy woman, but she basically, I'm gonna shorten it up. She's like, hell no, like that ain't gonna happen. But she was making, she had way more proof about it, as my grandmother would say, and just explained as to why. It's like, well, we can both make the potato salad, but the togetherness in the making the potato salad, that's not gonna happen. And I'm looking at folks who are like, I don't understand. I'm like, what was there not to understand? It's like you don't mix, but potato salad chefs don't collaborate. It's like you make your stuff, you let somebody else make theirs, but you don't want no collaboration going on, because if it ain't on point, then who's gonna take the blame?
Well, that's not the video that stuck to me. The video stuck to me was I don't know if it was a parody or if it was a real conversation, but somebody was telling people like, hey, Thanksgiving is not the time for you to be experimenting. I'm gonna need you to come with it for Thanksgiving and make it personal. My wife was talking to me yesterday about some experimental stuff she was gonna try. I was like, all right, don't do it. It's a very a noble cause, something very important that especially Black folks need to adhere to as it relates to health and diet and all that stuff. I'm like, all right, try it tomorrow, try it on Friday, try it next week. Don't try it on Thanksgiving.
You experiment if you want to, but if you experiment and it ain't right on Thanksgiving, you run the risk of your cooking being talked about for the better part of a century. If you,
I don't think it's. I'll be honest. I don't think it's that bad. But what will happen is cooks, they really want people to. They want to see the look on people's face when they taste the food, right? And if you bite into something that don't have the taste or the flavor that you're used to, the cook themselves will take all that extra guilt, and that'll be something that you won't be able to. You'll lose sleep at night. Everybody around the table at Thanksgiving not liking your food. That's something that people call therapy for. So I would suggest, as the person making the food and the person wants to see the delight on people's faces when they bite into it, don't try nothing on Thanksgiving.
just don't try it.